Hello everybody. Right, this ain't a ring video, is it? So I've had a few subscribers asking me about my bottle clocks. So there you go. There's a wine bottle on my local bar. The first thing you've got to do is get the labels off them. So you need a good soak for a few hours. Well, quite a few hours really. Plenty of soapy water. I'll let these soak in there for a few hours to get the labels off, and I'll be back. Love you, bye bye. Okay, the bottles are nice and clean. You've got to make sure you take all the glue off them. You don't want any glue residue, none. There's my kiln. So this is the fun part. The kiln is 100% level, but the bottles aren't too clever. So I can usually fit 3 in at a time. These are all different colours. You've got a lovely green, an olive, and a slightly darker olive. It's just looking for where it doesn't roll. I'll probably go a bit more that way. Maybe a touch more that way. Well, that should be pretty good in the middle. I'd say that ain't too bad. I'll tell you what, let's turn this round a bit. I'm just trying to make sure it's not going to roll once it's in there. Right, that's pretty good. Nothing's overlapping. Everything's good. No glue at all. Nice and dry. Right. We have these. There's another one in the side here. That's a spy hole. I can look through there and see how things are going. Right. With my right. Okay. So we're going to heat it up. 350 degrees per hour till it reaches 800 degrees centigrade. We don't need 800, that was on some of my jewellery I was making, so we can want to drop that down to say about, I don't know, say 750. And for say, I don't know, 20 minutes, and then it ends. So let's start it. Right, so when it gets to about 700, I have to start looking at the peephole, because all bottles are made of slightly different types of glass. You don't want it to slump too much. So you just have to sit there and watch it, and then when you think you're happy with it, you can turn the kiln off, and 12 hours later you should have perfect sort of bottles. So I put back in about 12 hours time, and catch you then. Okay, it's been about 4 hours now. The temperature of my kiln is now 770 degrees centigrade. Let's have a look in the peephole. I don't think you're going to be able to see much. Yeah, it's just red to you, isn't it? So I'll just quickly open the lid, and it's going to be really hot. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, man, that's hot. Ooh-ah. So, I will now turn the kiln off, and it has to cool down nice and slowly by itself. So that's going to be another 8 or 9 hours. So, I'll see you in about another 8 or 9 hours. So, bye-bye. Okay, this is the next day. And there's the bottles. The temperature is 33 degrees. They're still warm to the touch. There you go. The white bits are just kiln wash. There you go. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take them to my sink in the kitchen and I'll drill a hole in them. So I'll be back in a minute when I'm at the sink. Okay, so here's the bottle. I'm just going to measure the centre of it. It's what have we got there? 110 mil. That's going to be 55. About there. So now we drill the hole. Now sometimes they break. I'm not going to use cold water because this is just out of the kiln really. It's still a bit warm. And this is a 10 mil glass drill bit. A bit warmer. I mean, sometimes they break. Right, let's give it a go, Joe. Start it off. I've got my finger at the back and you can just feel it come through. I'm going to turn it over. Right, it's just come through. Turn it over. Just don't forget, it's not like brick or wood. You can't force it, you can't push it, because it's going to break. Success. No cracks or splits. So that's good to go. So I'll dry it off, and we'll go back into our little, my little workroom, and we'll carry on. Okay, right. This is our clock mechanism. It's quartz. They keep really good time. You have a little rubber washer. Start, you bugger. Right. That's how you hang it. Right. There's the hour hand. And there's the minute hand. So what I do for this is I get it to 12 o'clock by the hour hand. And then I get these numbers. They're sticker numbers. I used to make loads of these at one time. I stopped doing it though. I'll be making more though for the... Then I go to 3 o'clock. I don't bother with the minute hand, I just want to get it sort of spotty dog. 3. I'm not going to do every single number for you. You get the drift. Then we go to 6. I don't know if you're interested. I think there's a few of you interested. I know Bear's interested. And then we'll go to 9. Take that little centre bit, I don't want that. So then I then go back to 12. And I just go out to 1, 1, 2. Or I don't put the number 1, I put like a dot or whatever, you know. So I'll finish this off and then I'll put it on the wall and you'll see the finished thing. Right, that's done. So we just want to clean off the fingerprints and all the mess. Make it look nice and pretty. The second hand, there's a little tiny hole. There's a pin in the center. It takes one AA battery. Yeah, let's make it a smiley face.